Okay, sometimes the process of nature's way is a little tough to watch. So we had this raptor. I think it's a hawk, and sitting low in a tree, obviously injured in some way. And the way we noticed is there were all kinds of magpies, like about a dozen of them, hanging around in the tree, harassing the poor guy. Well, went out to take a closer look, and he took off and he went over to another sheltered area, which is what you're seeing here over there by the fence, which is just about, I don't know, 100 yards from where I am. So I tried to zoom in, and they're just harassing him. Well, then I went away for about a half an hour. I came back to check on him. He's still there, and I noticed, well, he had managed to get one of the magpies, so he was eating the magpie. They were still harassing him, and I thought, well, that's the way it goes, you know. And then I was just going outside just to do something, and lo and behold, the neighbor's dog goes by. And now I don't know what has happened to the poor guy, but he was doing pretty well holding his own till the dog came along. So I don't know, maybe I'll be able to add to this. So check over there in a little bit and see what happens. But it's kind of tough to take. I didn't know what to do, if I should call the if I should intervene or what, but I figure, well, better just let nature run its course. So that's how my morning's going. I'm watching nature run its course. We'll see what happens next. They're really moving in on this hawk. He's got to be injured. I'd like to interfere, but I can't interfere. Bummer. Well, in case you haven't heard magpies before, those birds you hear in the background are the magpies. Okay, so last I saw the hawk was down in there, and not there. Well, we're just sort of mulling this over, see what's gonna happen. Maybe we can see who the culprit is. Aha. Check this out. Yep, there he is. Well, not much one can do. It's life in the country. Pretty sure there's the culprit. Well, he didn't know what was going on. He just came out to be.